Okay, we're back. Got them all in. You can see there. That's my cold rag. Got them all boxed in. Set in. Both sides. Got a little more polishing to do. And there. And there. But when the motor comes out, sorry about that, that'll give me the room I can get in there and get those done. But those are my step-up extensions. They extend back to there. If I need to, I don't think I will with that heavy of material, but if I need to, I can gusset from here over to the inside of the frame if I have to, like this. If I have to, but that's pretty substantial stuff there. Was that 1/4 inch? Anyway, and it's on a real short plane there. Okay. So, motor is mounted, everything's square, everything's in there where she's got to be. You see the other side there, she's in. Little secret I do on all of ours, I don't know if you can see it real good on the camera, but you can kind of see our logo right there, B&B. I sign every one that we do. That way if we sell it, and at a car show or something, and some guy's bragging up on what they built, well, that's my, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so tomorrow I'll lift it up and I'll set the transmission cross member in. So I think that'll do her up for today. Motor's mounted, now to mount the transmission, and everything's good. Had a friend come over and show me on these suicide doors how to adjust them in, because this one right here has been folded. You can see here where it busted the strap, the stop, and it don't like to close so good. And it's kind of spring loaded. That's kind of dangerous on the suicide doors. If that door pops open, whoo, good God. There's a reason they call them suicide doors, I guess. But that's where she's at for now. I'm going to sign it out and come back tomorrow and we'll start on that transmission cross member in that big black hole in there, because I got no light. But that's where she is now. I got a big old grinding mess to take care of, but it's coming along. 4 hours a day. I think that's what I'll call this series, 4 hours build. Everybody will think I built it in 4 hours, right? Well, 4 hours here, 4 hours this day. Yeah, 4 hours. That's what it takes to build these. Alright, we'll come back tomorrow.